you've seen any of my previous videos concerning the Pixel 6a, you know that I haven't had the best of luck. I'm here to report that finally I've got a working Pixel 6a. For those of you keeping up with my saga of getting the Pixel 6a repaired, you'll know that I had issues with this device straight out of the box. I was having issues with the device power cycling and having issues with the audio, as you can see here. Upon seeing the issues the device was having, I contacted Google. They suggested that I send the phone back in for repair. So, on August 29th, I boxed the phone up and I took it to the post office to send it off for repair. From the 29th till the 6th, it was in transit in one way, shape, or form to the Google repair facility. And that's where I ran into my first hang-up. From the 6th until the 15th of September, the phone was reported delivered by FedEx, but reported not checked in at the Google Repair Center. I contacted Google about this. I let them know that FedEx had shown the package had been delivered, but their facility hadn't checked it in. And the only thing they could tell me was, well, you kind of have to wait. Google finally checked in my device on September 15th. And on that date, they sent me an email saying your device was checked in and the issues that I reported are covered under warranty. And that's where I ran into my second hang-up. I started getting emails once a day saying that my repair had been delayed with no real explanation as to why. Fast forwarding again to September 20th, when Google finally said, your device has been repaired and we're in the process of shipping it back. Finally, I was going to get a working phone. Google was really good about shipping the phone back, and I got it the next morning. I immediately opened the box, ready to set up my newly repaired Pixel 6a. Got everything logged into, I opened YouTube, and the same thing was happening.
$5 to track to pay. It's only cheaper.
So not only did my device still have its audio issues, but it still suffered from the same power cycling issues it had when I sent it off. So using the already open case that I had with Google, I messaged them back, stating very simply, hey, my repaired phone doesn't seem all that repaired. As a matter of fact, the only actual change I could see in the phone was that they had removed the screen protector that I had previously applied to it. I sent them a video clip of the device showing the audio issues, very similar to what I showed you before, and Google sent an email back almost immediately, very apologetic. I would like to apologize for any inconvenience. The level of support that you experienced is not our standard. Google takes all feedback from its users very seriously. I want to ensure you that the appropriate teams will receive your feedback. We appreciate you bringing your concerns to our attention, and I want to thank you for your interest in all things Google. The letter goes on to explain what my options for a replacement device would be. I chose to do a direct exchange. What that means is Google sends me a link to purchase another Pixel 6a. I use the credit card that I have on file. Google then shipped a device overnight. I received it the next day. I used the included materials to pack up the old phone and then ship it right back with a return label that Google already provided. Once Google receives the device and inspects it once again, they'll find that the device still has the same manufacturing issues it had before, and the hold on my credit card will disappear. So as of today, I'm happy to say that I have a fully functional Pixel 6a. Now, as you can see here,
my camera, my Kindle. It's been my journal, my hotel room jukebox, my little East River ferryboat mini laptop, and of course,
the audio issues are gone and the phone has not restarted by itself since I got it. From my point of view, you guys should start seeing some new Pixel A content right in time for the launch of the Pixel 7. Coming from the background that I have in retail phone sales, I know that every single phone that comes out of a box is not going to be perfect. I know that there are phones that are going to be defective straight out of the box. My experience in retail sales was if a phone was bad out of the box or within the first 30 days, you were able to just take the phone back into the store and get it swapped out with a new one. After the 30 days, your continued warranty for 12 months would apply, but you would have to contact the manufacturer at that point. The only negative I saw in this entire interaction was the fact that Google did not opt to do the RMA direct swap like for like on the get-go. Microsoft does that right off the bat. They give you the option right off the bat just to have a phone sent to you so that you're not without a phone. In my case, that's fine because I have tons of other phones I can use, and I've been using the Surface Duo 2 this entire time with no issue. I'm going to continue to use the Pixel 6a, and I'll be able to give you some honest feedback in about a week or so. At this point, if you're interested in a Pixel 6a, my honest advice is this. Wait until October 6th when Google has its Pixel launch event. That way you can get a better idea of whether you want to jump on the Pixel 6a or you want to go with the Pixel 7 or 7 Pro. Now, my thoughts are the Pixel 6a might lower down in price once the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro come out. But that decision is ultimately up to you. And I will let you know my thoughts on the performance of this phone after I've had a chance to actually use it. I just wanted to give you guys a little update because I know some of you have been following both my YouTube shorts and my Twitter feed, and you know that I've been having issues with my Pixel 6a. Again, I'm very happy with the process and the eventual outcome that I've gotten from Google, and I can't wait to get out to take some photos and videos to share with you. As always, if you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. I do try to respond to each comment. And as always, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I have making it. My name is Bryant. This is Reviews for Nerds. Have a great day.